friends, it's Becky, and I'm going to open up my curated collections from Beads to Live By subscriptions. I get 2 of the subscriptions that they have available. Well, they only have 2 available. One is the seed bead subscription, which we'll take a look at in just a minute. The other is a 2-hole bead subscription, and it looks like our colors, because they are curated to go together, are this like luscious berries and grapes with some greenery colors. We've got some really, really warm colors in here. I love it. All right, let's take a look at these. Like, this is just some gorgeous, gorgeous reds. I'm going to get all of these depotted into this paint, this empty paint palette in a minute, but oh, we've got some kind of reddish, purpley ones. We've got some gorgeous pearl looking guys. And the thing about the seed bead subscription for this is that you get 8 different selections of seed beads, and they're like 10-gram bags, but they are in 4 different sizes. So you get 2 6-0 seed bead selections, you get 2 8-0 seed bead selections, you get 2 11-0 seed bead selections, and then you get some 15-0 seed bead selections, and 2 of those as well. So we'll be looking at these in more detail in a minute after I get them in here. And then with the 2-hole bead selections, these are some newer shapes, newer than we were getting last year. Anyway, you get 5 different shapes of seed beads, and we'll go over those shapes in a minute. Let me get these put in here so I can hold them up closer to the screen and you can get a better look at these. I'll be right back. Right, here we are with most of our selections. I did leave a couple of my 2-hole beads on the strand. I'll hold them up in a minute when we take a look at those in more detail. But we've got over here in the corner our 15-0 selections, and I'm going to start with this one. It's kind of an iris finish, definitely peacock iris kind of finish, where you've got your blues and your purples and your greens and your golds, and it's just all these different colors. I absolutely love that. And then we've got more of a raspberry color. This is a pinky red with a luster finish on it so that you get that kind of pearlescent sheen. Then we've got an olive colored 15-0 seed bead over here, sort of olive green. It is a really pretty, really great green that goes so well with these berry and grape colored flavors of seed beads that we've got. And then we've got, for our second selection of 11-0 seed beads right here, we've got something that's kind of a violet blue, like a really light violet, but it has an AB finish on it. And it is a matte finish, so it's got an AB coat with a matte finish. And then next to it over here, we've got something that's a warmer purple. It is more red leaning, and that's very, very much a grapey kind of purple. And it's another matte finish bead, and that is our first 8-0 selection. And then our second 8-0 selection is again a nice raspberry red, pinky red kind of a bead with a really warm, like fiery finish or coating on it. So you can get that kind of luster from there. And then we've got a purple bead. These are our 6-0 seed beads, and it's got inside of it, it's not a silver lining, it is a gold lining. So it gives you a lot of warmth inside, reflecting back with that light, and I love that. Then we've got a luster finish. It's almost white, but it's not quite white. It's more of an ivory color, so it's got a real pearl feel to it. And then for our 2-hole beads, we've got some ginkgos, and ginkgos are a 2-hole bead with beads that go through from the rounded side towards the pointy side. And these ones are a clear crystal with, it looks like a raspberry splash on it. They're beautiful, and they're gonna look so good with some of these other pinky red Guys, I am actually having ideas already for how I can put these guys together with some of these green seed beads. It's going to look fantastic. And then we've got Rula beads. These are Czech glass beads. They're shaped like a Coke can. Basically, they're a cylinder, and then both of the holes go through the sides like that. And this selection is like a crystal color with a metallic coating on half of it. And it looks like the metallic coating on the back side of it looks gold, but then when you look at it through the crystal, it shines like copper. I love that color. And then we've got kind of a lavendery kind of a color with kind of a pink finish on it. It's kind of a rosy finish. But these are our mini chevron beads, and they're all bent one way, and they've got two holes that go through like that on it. So that is these guys. And then we've got our Czech glass tile beads, and this is kind of a clear purple lilac-y, light lilac-y color, but it looks like an AB finish on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then we've got some bar beads. These are Czech bar beads. They are shaped like a bar, like a little brick. And they've got two holes that run through the short length of it. And these ones are kind of a clearish, translucent pink. I don't know if it's the same finish that we get with this one. I think it might be a little bit different. Yeah, this one's like a splash, and this one's just kind of a general coating on that for this pink. But there we have it. Zoom out a little bit. These are the Curated Collections Beads to Live By with our seed bead subscription and then the 2-hole bead subscription. There's usually also some Czech glass bundles that you can purchase that are curated to go along with it. They are add-ons, and sometimes I'm feeling the add-ons, sometimes I'm like, well, I can probably skip them this time. I'm sort of wishing that I had gone ahead and gotten them though, because now that I see all of these other beads with it, there were some really fantastic fire polish beads and some shaped Czech glass beads that would have just been a lot of fun to play with. But I do have some other Czech glass beads I can probably throw into the mix, but I really love the colors. It's not another undersea one, but it is kind of leaning towards berries and grapes, and having it be a grape season in a vineyard or something like that. It's really a fantastic, especially raspberries, blackberries. I'm getting that vibe. Blackberries, raspberries, maybe a little bit of blueberry. It's a very berry kind of berries and grapes selection, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun making stuff with this. But I love Beads to Live By. They're one of my favorite bead shops, and I love being able to just know that I'm gonna have some seed beads and some 2-hole beads that show up to my house every month that go perfectly together. So I love subscribing to this. I'll put a link in the description to Beads to Live By where you can find the curated collections. You can find past curated collections. Extras get uploaded to their shop so they could be purchased after a certain amount of time. So if you're looking at this and you're like, I love those ginkgos, but I don't want all the rest of this stuff, you could probably purchase that in 2 or 3 weeks when they get uploaded for some of those past ones for extras, if there are any available in the shop, because they are just some really cool ginkgos. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a fantastic week, and I'll talk with you later. Bye!